welcome back to another amazing episode of Decor Diary where every space turns into a story of style and comfort from cozy corner to stunning space. The Decor Diary brings you home decor ideas and inspire. We help you to turn your house into a beautiful personalized heaven one idea at a time. Today we are unlocking some truly stunning outdoor living goals with best backyard remodel ideas that are perfect for turning your space into a personal retreat. Whether you have got a small garden or a wide open yard, there's always room to make it more inviting and stylish. Start by focusing on your patio. It's the heart of outdoor living. Go for cozy outdoor furniture like comfy, sectional weather resistance cushions, and a sleek coffee table to create a relaxing zone. You can even add a rug made for outdoor to define the space and make it feel more like an extension of your home. Next, don't underestimate the power of well designed deck, whether it's wood, compositive, or tiles, or deck adds height and structure, perfect for dining area or some logging. Bullet in a bench or a planter give you deck or custom touch. Save space too. Now lighting is a key to setting the mood is in the evening. String lights overhead, solar powered garden light or stylish lanterns on the table instantly make the space feel warm and magical. Add a fire pit for cozy night under the stars. It's perfect for gatherings or quiet movement alone. If you love cooking outdoor, a minimal outdoor kitchen, even barbecue corner can make your backyard the go-to hangout. If you love entertaining, think about setting up or dining space with solar tables, outdoor safe chairs, and maybe even bar cart. You can also folding furniture if you need flexibility in your space. If your backyard gets chilly at night, install a patio heater or use fire column for extra warmth. Flooring option like grave path, concrete tiles, or wooden decking can help define different areas of backyard. Don't forget about strong benches with hidden compartments, outdoor storage boxes, or even a small shade. Keep everything tidy within reach. Think about adding a hot tub or plug pool if safe allow. It's take your outdoor living to the next level. Use wood texture cozy throw and lanterns for farmhouse feel and if you like a tropical escape bring in pearl Victor furniture and bright printed to create your own mini vacation spot at home. Remember, it's all about making the space reflect your personality while being functional and comfy. Even small changes like switching out old furniture, repainting a bench, or adding a few plants can make a big impact. No matter your budget or space, there are endless ways to remodel your backyard into an outdoor dream zone where you will love spending time. So start planning, get creative, let your outdoor living goals come to whether it's a cozy patio, a stylish deck, or a backyard full of beauty and fun. If you find these ideas inspiring, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the Decor Diary for more beautiful and home transformation. Leave us a comments and tell us idea you're most excited to try in your backyard. Until next time, keep designing, keep dreaming, and keep making your home happy place. Watch the video till end. All the ideas were very helpful and inspiration your home decor. So my dear viewers, keep supporting